Hi guys! Week 4, we are going to go over weathering and erosion. So this week is the same as last week in the way of what you're doing. I did add a video of my notes, so I just go through and talk to you as I do the notes. You can take it, you can leave it, it's completely optional. I know that when I asked for feedback, some of you did ask for them. There's not a whole lot of notes to go over this week. We took basically one unit and we're breaking it into two. So right now we're just going to do weathering and erosion this week, and then next week we'll continue with deposition and how it makes landforms. So basically this week is just understanding the weathering and erosion. So there's not a whole lot. I kind of give you some extra information, show you some pictures, things like that. Totally optional. I just start videos. We'll cover that information as well. If you like the video or whatever, you can let me know. Just email me. If you don't like it and you're like, no, don't waste your time, Miss Hopkins, then let me know that too, because I seem to be spending a whole lot more time working now than I ever did. Anyways, so the same rule applies. You need to go to your EduSmart. If you don't know how to access EduSmart, it is in your Launchpad. It is in the Science folder. You're going to open EduSmart. In your EduSmart, you're going to see that you have tasks. You need to complete this task. So if you click on it, it actually opens up. You'll see that I assigned you the student review for weathering, the student review for erosion. Those have questions. If you don't score 3 stars at the end of each of those reviews, you should probably go back and review it again. You can review it up to 3 times, trying to get as many stars as you can. The last thing I gave you was the simulation. I really like simulation because I think a lot of us worry about chemical weathering and the fact of acid rain, when in actuality rain itself is sort of acidic. So I do like this so that you can see that rain itself will dissolve rocks, certain rocks. So go in here and make sure you do all 3 of these lessons in EduSmart. Once you do your lessons in EduSmart, you can close it out. You're going to open up the assignment for this week. You're going to go down here and you're going to answer the questions. True or false? Is mechanical and physical weathering the same thing? Number 2, what happens when a rock is chemically weathered? And number 3, what is abrasion? So you're going to answer those 3 questions. You're going to click the turn in button. I'm going to check your answers. I'll just let you know if it's right or wrong, and I'll add to it or add some notes there to help you. And then once I do that, I will give you your Google form. Your Google form is going to look like this. And so you're going to go through and answer these questions, and then you're going to get your grade, and that will be it. I will be posting an extension option for you just to kind of liven things up. I know that some of you are really having a whole lot of fun at home. This is just a way for you to kind of make a funny video and add to it. And so we'll see about sharing those on Classroom. But once you do your Google form, you are done. If you fail your Google form, you do have the option of going through and doing the supplementals. This week I've assigned Brain Pop. There's 2 sections in there. Once you do your brain pop, I will reset your form and you can do it again. I honestly don't think you should have to redo the form. If you did the EduSmart and you paid attention, then you have all the information you need. I hope you're doing well. I miss you guys so much. And take care and let me know if you have any questions. Email me. I can set up a video conference to go over anything with you, or I can just simply walk you through the steps if you still don't know what you're doing. And there are some of you out there who don't. So please make sure you ask questions and make sure you check your emails for notifications. Talk to you later. Bye.